If you want to get the best angle grinder according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have DeWalt 20V Max XR. DeWalt's 20V Max XR brushless cut-off/grinder cordless angle grinder could be the ultimate upgrade for pros and dyers who take their tools seriously. This cordless model utilizes the brand's 20V Max XR lineup, and its brushless motor spins 4.5-inch discs up to 9,000 RPM. It made short work of cutting and grinding, without a cord to get in the way. The grip and handle both feature thick rubber, keeping vibration and fatigue to a minimum. The safety features are certainly a plus. The electronic brake stopped the disc within 2 seconds, and simply knowing that there is a kickback brake instilled confidence. Moving on to the next at number 2 with BLACK+DECKER Angle Grinder Tool. This affordable model features a 6-amp motor that produces up to 10,000 RPM of speed, and it's compatible with 4.5-inch grinding and cutting wheels. BLACK+DECKER markets this model at light-duty, DIY-type users, and that's where it excels. This very affordable model is easy to use, thanks in part to its lock-on trigger. The 3-position handle mounting system works for plenty of scenarios, such as cutting and grinding at unusual angles. Just don't expect the BLACK+DECKER to handle heavy-duty jobs like large metalworking projects for any length of time, as it only has a 6-amp rougher motor. The number 3 position is held by DeWalt Angle Grinder Tool DWF402. This burly machine features an 11-amp motor and spins 4.5-inch grinding and cutting wheels at speeds up to 11,000 RPM. It cut through angle iron faster than any other grinder, and it made short work of any large, lumpy, amateur-grade welds. While this is one of the best variable speed angle grinders, neither the DWF402's vibration control nor its grip got much attention on the drawing board. Next at number 4 we have Metabo HBT Angle Grinder. Metabo HBT uses 4.5-inch discs, has a 6.2-amp motor, and spins at up to 10,000 RPM. This is one of the best 4.5-inch angle grinder options for the money, and the Metabo HBT usefulness was somewhat of a surprise. It is compact and lightweight in hand. The location of the power switch is very convenient, especially during cutting. The lock-on feature allowed you to kick it on and leave it on, very helpful in any project. My only complaint is that the Metabo HBT lacks the power of other corded models, and the 6.2-amp motor seemed like it could overheat during all-day use. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Makita XAG04Z 18V LXD. This top-rated angle grinder features an 8,500 RPM top speed thanks to its brushless motor and the 18-volt lithium-ion battery. It can handle 4.5 and 5-inch discs. We found the XAG04Z excellent to work with. While it doesn't boast the highest top speed, the automatic speed adjustment enabled it to maintain speed during tough cuts and grinds. We noticed very little vibration thanks to the rubber overmolded grip and handle, and the lock-on switch proved to be a huge plus. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notifications.